Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I have some affordable Dollar Tree last minute gift basket or gift ideas for you for this Christmas time. If you're new here and you like home decor and DIYs on a budget, stick around by hitting that subscribe button and ringing the bell for notifications so you never miss out on a new video. All right, let's get into all of these gift ideas. This first basket is perfect for the little artist. I chose this little caddy to put everything in, and then I found one of these paint by number canvas kits from Dollar Tree. It is a $5 item, and the $5 is on the box, and it's not a sticker, so I couldn't pull that off, so I decided to just take it out of the box, and I made sure to include the instructions and the paint and also the paint brushes in the basket as well. I also included some more canvases that just were blank. I put those in the back behind the paint by number, and then I wanted some shred to put inside the basket just to heighten everything and kind of give it a little bit more decorative feel. I took some more paintbrushes from Dollar Tree plus the ones that came in the kit, tied them together with some twine, added that. I also added one of these paint palettes to put the paint in, of course, a couple little small canvases, and then I found these deco art paints at Dollar Tree that I added to the basket, and then of course, like I said, the paints from the kit itself. I added a little Merry Christmas sign, and I think this turned out really cute. It's perfect to gift anyone who loves to craft or paint, and you can definitely customize this to whatever you find at Dollar Tree. They have a big craft section, so it's perfect and affordable. This gift would be perfect for any teenage girl or adult to give a little Brrrrr basket or self-care basket is what I'm going to call this. I used one of these pink cosmetic bags from Dollar Tree, and you can fit a lot inside of these. I added a styrofoam block to one side to give everything a little bit of height. And then I added this cute gold cup because everybody needs to stay hydrated. And then I also added some pink shred to make it look cute. I added these beauty blenders, this hydrogel eye and lip duo. And then of course, who doesn't love some cozy socks? So I picked up some of those and I just rolled them up, and they actually have a to and from tag on them. So they work perfect at the front of the basket, and you can just use that as the tag. Then I found these rollerball retinol, vitamin C, and collagen pens. So I added that to the basket. I also added these little facial serum capsules and some of this sugar cookie shower gel and bath bomb set that I found. They also had this hair shimmer spray, which I thought was cute, would be perfect for the new year. And then of course I had to add this Marie Claire liquid blush. I just took that out of the package and placed that in the sock. And I think this is a perfect self-care basket or a Brrrrr basket for your girlfriend or best friend or wife or daughter or sister or whoever. And definitely you can customize this to whoever you are gifting this to. This is another great gift to give the girlies. I found one of these candy jars from Dollar Tree with the gold lids. So I'm gonna fill it up. I took this little loofah and scrubbing pad, and I'm gonna add those kind of to the sides of the jar. And then I found a bunch of these bath bombs and shower bombs or bath bombs. You can use them either way. And I'm gonna fill the jar with some of those. So I just added those all to the jar until it was full. It does take a lot, so I added 3 packs of each of those and filled it up, and then I tied a little bow around the top. And of course you want to add a little tag so that way you can personalize it. And I would definitely add some tape to the lid of this just to make sure the lid doesn't fall off when you're gifting it. I think this is a perfect, affordable, and easy gift to give that can be easily customizable depending on what your Dollar Tree has. This basket is kind of like a New Year basket. I chose this clear desktop organizer basket to put everything in. And then I found one of these hexagon felt bulletin boards. And you're probably thinking, what does this have to do with the new year? Well, I was thinking this is kind of like a vision board. You could put all of your things that you envision for the new year onto that board. I added the Words of Wisdom magazine for some quotes, something you could read throughout the year to just inspire inspire you or brighten your day. Of course, I added a little notebook or journal, something to write things down in. And then Dollar Tree also had these cute little books of sticky notes in them that were little balloon themed animals. And then they had another one that just had some colorful stripes in it. I thought this was perfect. You can write yourself a little note and just put it on your vision board or in your journal when you're journaling. I would have added stickers, but my Dollar Tree didn't have any good stickers. So I think that would be something really good if it's like you're adding this for like a journaling, someone who likes to journal. And then I added that little pin holder that I thought went with the whole theme. And of course, a bunch of pins and this corrector tape, just in case you make a mistake. And then of course I had to add some cute little push pins. Dollar Tree has so many cute little push pins. These ones I thought went perfect with the theme. I took them out of the package and just put them on the bulletin board because I thought it looked a little cuter like this. Plus, I used it to hold my little ribbon, bow, and tag onto the bulletin board to make everything go together. And I think this turned out really cute. You could wrap this in some shrink wrap and just kind of tie a nice little bow on it. And I think that would pull everything together nicely. This is definitely a perfect gift for someone who loves to journal, set intentions, or goals. This is definitely something I want to do in the new year. So this next idea isn't really a gift basket at all, but who doesn't love food gifts? And this is actually my mom's idea. I don't know if anybody has seen this, but these peanut butter mix-ins are so popular. My mom loves peanut butter, and she said, wouldn't it be a great idea to get some peanut butter and mix in just a bunch of different flavors and have different recipes for that, and then you can gift those to people. So I thought this was a good idea. I picked up some peanut butter from Dollar Tree and some mason jars. I added some of that peanut butter to the mason jar, and then I added a couple jars of those little Nutellas that you get at Dollar Tree. Now, I definitely think it would be cheaper to get that Nutella from the regular store, but I was already at Dollar Tree, so I just went with what they had. And then I got some chocolate chips and added that in. And then I added in some of these freeze-dried strawberries and mixed everything together. I think this tasted so good. I am such a big Nutella and strawberry fan, and I'm not a big peanut butter fan, but adding it all together and the chocolate chips and everything, this gave this such a really good flavor. I tied a package of shortbread cookies because you can spread the spread onto the shortbread cookies and kind of eat it that way, make it a little bit more decadent. Not that it isn't already decadent, but I think that would be pretty tasty like that. And then I just tied a little ornament to the outside of it that had a cute little gingerbread guy on it with some twine. And I think this turned out really cute and it tastes really good. I'm just gonna put it in the refrigerator to keep it. I'm not exactly sure how long it will keep for in the refrigerator, so you definitely want to make this before, like the day before you're gifting this to somebody. And then I made another one with some more peanut butter, and then Dollar Tree has the marshmallow fluff. So I added some of the peanut butter and the marshmallow fluff and mix that all around. Don't add the whole jar of the marshmallow fluff because it's too much. You only need probably like half a jar of the marshmallow fluff and then the peanut butter. And then I added some Hershey's chocolate bars. They come in a pack of 4 at Dollar Tree, the little ones do. So I just broke those up and added those into the mix and mixed everything together. And then if you can't tell by now, I'm making a s'mores version of some mix in peanut butter. And I just added the little goldfish s'mores because I couldn't find graham crackers. But this one tasted really good too. And I tied a tag on it. Again, if you know somebody who likes peanut butter, I definitely think they would love this gift idea. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video and it gave you some ideas for gift giving this year that were affordable and easy to do. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up and I'll see you guys in the next one. Take care. Happy holidays. Bye-bye.